Land Rover has revealed the new Range Rover Evoque plug-in hybrid version of popular style-focused small SUV. The new Range Rover Evoque plug-in hybrid version has been revealed. This plug-in hybrid SUV can return more than 200 mpg and cost from 43,850 euros. This new Range Rover Evoque, also called as P300e, comes with a 200 horsepower 1.5-liter diesel engine and petrol engine at the front and an electric motor at the back. The petrol engine produces 200 horsepower while the electric motor contributes 109 horsepower. Because the electric motor drives the rear wheels, the new Evoque comes with 4-wheel drive as standard. Unlike the standard Evoque that can be had with just front wheel drive, every Evoque PHEV comes with an 8-speed automatic gearbox as standard. The new Evoque comes with a 309 horsepower combination of electric motor and 3-cylinder petrol engine. Under the bonnet of both models is same P300e powertrain, which combines a new 147 kW 1.5-liter turbocharged Ingenium 3-cylinder petrol engine with an 80 kW electric motor located on the rear axle for combined outputs of 227 kW of power and 540 Newton power of torque. The energy is stored in a 15 kW per hour lithium-ion battery pack located underneath the rear seats of the car. New turbocharged 1.5-liter 3-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor tucked into the rear axle and a 15 kWh battery is in the car. And the battery provides a 305 horsepower and 372 pound-feet of torque and a new 8-speed automatic handles gears changes. All-wheel drive is of course still part of the package. With this model of car, we can go up to 84 mph on battery power alone before the engine kicks into the handle some of the duty. As bit in the fuel economy estimates and purely electric range ratings, but they are pretty darn good. The Range Rover Evoque P300e should return 41 miles on a full charge and return 201 miles per gallon equivalent under European testing standards as given by the news. The hybrid system tucks away neatly with a lithium-ion pack stored below the rear seats and high-voltage junction box integrated under the front seats. On the right to next, it resides a belt-integrated starter generator inverter to send regenerated energy from the brake to battery pack or to the all-wheel drive system presented in the car. In this new Range Rover PHEV P300e, the drivers can choose from 3 modes to operate the Land Rover plug-in models hybrid EV and save to either let the full powertrain operate, run solely on electric power, or to use the engine as the primary power source. When there's no juice left, it should take about 30 minutes for a full charge with a DC fast charger, so drivers should not need to worry about long charging times. So the electric motor isn't just there to boost the efficiency, it also helps the Range Rover Evoque PHEV sprint from 0 to 60 mph in less than 6.4 seconds. You can alter how the Evoque uses its motor by switching between its 3 driving modes. Hybrid mode uses both the engine and the motor. EV mode switches off the petrol engine, and the Save mode relies more heavily on the petrol engine, using it to drive the car and recharge the batteries on the move. As we know, the Land Rover's PHEV system is at its most efficient in the Evoque, where Land Rover claims an all-electric range of 66 km combined fuel economy on the stringent European WLTF cycle of 1.4 liters per 100 km and combined WLTF CO2 emissions of just 32 grams per kilometer. The new Range Rover Evoque PHEV is on sale now. You can get it in S, SE and HSE specification with the entry-level S versions costing from 43,850 euros.